List begins with Rance Keating. Rance celebrating his big number 4 in Fulton. Have a great day, my man.
All right, great smile there. Blaine Cooper is celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Hope it's a great one, Blaine. Ready with his fishing pole.
Good old fishing pole right there. Brody Matson, Columbus Titan Pride. Happy 12th birthday to Brody, coming out from Aunt Jennifer and Grandma Patty.
All right. Grant Carlo Lawless is celebrating birthday number 13. Welcome to the teenage years, Grant. He's down in Miami.
McKenna Lord, she is now 18. What a marvelous shot right there. Happy birthday to McKenna in Uniontown. Throw up the U.
All right. In Joplin, Missouri, Kelly Morris celebrating birthday number 26 today.
Kathy Cummings, she is turning 60 in Toronto. That little friend next to her there, that's Punky D. So Kathy, from all of us and Punky D, happy birthday.
All right. Fun dog. Jerry Pauley celebrating the big 6-0 along with Kathy there. Jerry is in St. Paul. Happy birthday.
And Shirley Alps, you may know her as Sam, a happy 73rd birthday.
All right. The family wants to wish Mr. Donald E. Warren Jr. a very happy 80th birthday this year. Looking good there, Donald.
Now, everybody up at Via Christi Village wants you to wish Melba Walker a happy 97th birthday. Miss Melba, happy birthday wishes from Mickey, Joey, Leanda, and the rest of the family. Have a great day, Melba.
All right. And it wouldn't be a birthday morning without one of
So this is true story. I was thinking about this yesterday when we were doing birthdays, and I'm like, it's been a while since we had a member of Will's family on a birthday list. I was just like, that's odd. So Will, I was thinking about you, my man. And there's Mr. Brent, and a nice catch by him. That happens to be the father of our own graphic artist, Will York. And Will's responsible for putting all these birthday pictures together for us each and every morning and putting a smile on everybody's face. And there is the man who raised him. Mr. York, you did a tremendous job, sir. A happy, happy birthday to you in Galena.
All right, here's one of the newest members of our team.
Who that is?
Bronte Saratsky, one of our reporters here at KOAM.
Happy birthday, Miss Bronte.
If you see her out and about, give her a welcome to the 4 states.
Welcome to the fam.
Yeah.
And another who that is, I don't even want to know how he got Fozzie in there. Lucas O'Toole. He is our IT and engineering assistant. Always puts a smile on your face. He's a funny dude right there. Lucas, we appreciate everything you do, my man. Happy birthday, and I shall see you, I believe, in a little bit.
Right.
Cheryl Dalton, a happy birthday in Franklin. Jill Coombs, she's celebrating in St. Paul, and happy birthday to Banks Marietta. What's up, Banks? I believe he's already 14, my man. He's in Pittsburgh. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. There's the site on your screen. Go to KOAMBirthdays.com/birthdays and join our KOAM Birthday Club today.